Good afternoon, guys. This is Vish again. So today I'm going to present you a recipe on Nellore fish curry, Nellore chepala pulusu, which is one of the best dishes in the South India. So this is a dish which consists of spices like chili powder, turmeric, cinnamon, etc. with fish and a pinch of turmeric in it. It's something different which you can try. If served with hot rice, it's yummy and it's pretty much will make you happy. So let's go ahead with the ingredients of Nellore chepala pulusu, Nellore fish curry. Okay then, the ingredients are. So the ingredients we require for Nellore fish curry, we call it as Nellore chepala pulusu in Telugu. So we got chopped onion, sliced green chili, tomato, tamarind paste, and asafoetida, grated garlic and ginger, cinnamon, and mainly fish. I'm not marinating it. I just added a bit of salt and turmeric for it, just to have it a good smell. I mean, to remove that sea fish smell. So take a pan and on medium flame, add 3 tablespoons of oil, and then add mustard seeds and green chili, grated ginger, garlic, and cinnamon. Now just stir it up. So once it's a bit fried, say in a minute or 30 seconds, add up the chopped onion and make sure the onion are properly fried till it gets the golden brown color. Especially for fish curry, the amount of onion you use will make the texture of the curry. You can see that the onion are kind of trying to a light brown color. So when they're turning a bit, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add tomato. Start filling the tomato as well, and you can see after 2-3 minutes the tomato has softened. So at this point of time I'm going to add the required chili powder and salt. So let's start with chili powder. I'm adding 2 spoons of chili powder. So I would suggest audience can use less chili powder because I want it a bit spicy, so I added a bit more. So you can just add a tablespoon of chili powder. Okay, mix it well, and then add salt as required. Mix it properly. So now you got to simmer it. Mix it properly, simmer it, and cover it with a lid. So what happens is it'll be you get the boiled texture kind of thing after some 5 minutes. So I'm going to keep it with a lid and leave it on simmer. So you can see after 5 minutes, you got a proper paste kind of thing with onion, tomato, and chili powder, salt, green chili, and all this stuff. See? So now what we're going to do, the main ingredient for Nellore fish curry is I'm going to add half tablespoon of tamarind paste. Okay, that's it. I'm going to mix it properly. And add a pinch of asafoetida. So why we're adding this asafoetida is to help us in terms of digestion, which supports the intestine. Once this is done, I'm going to add some water. Mix it properly And then I'm going to have it on a medium flame and then cook it for another 10 minutes. So if you can see, after 3 to 5 minutes, make sure, like, you turn the flame to simmer. So by this time your gravy has to be like this, the consistency. It shouldn't be too watery or it shouldn't be too thick. So now under simmer, when it is in simmer, what you're going to do is I'm going to add the fish to this. Since I didn't have more supply of fish, I'm adding less pieces. You can add more number of pieces. So, and make sure to get the pieces settled, not one on each, but side by side. And we are not going to mix it afterwards because that will disturb the fish. So if you can see, on simmer for 5 minutes, the fish pieces are mostly boiled. So carefully take the pieces and see, and slowly mix it. Make sure not to break the pieces, and then add the chopped coriander and leave it like this on simmer for another 10 minutes. Keep the lid closed, leave it for 10 minutes, and then you'll have the spicy and tasty Nellore fish curry, which we call it as Nellore chepala pulusu. So after 10 minutes in simmer, you can see that the pieces are properly boiled, fish pieces, and you can look at the consistency of the gravy. It has become a bit thicker, and we'll keep it like this only. So we are done with Nellore fish curry. You can serve it with hot rice. I wouldn't suggest it for chapati, but rice and dosa would be the best. Even you can have it with idli.